My camera doesn't love me. It's cool. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, hi, hello. If you're not new, what's goody, what's poppin'? Welcome to the fam. My name is Ashlynn Racquel to be exact, but call me whatever you like. In today's video, I'm mainly focusing on eyeshadow, neutral eyeshadows, and how to properly blend a neutral look. Just something simple and cute and flirty for you to do your everyday needs. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You will not regret it. And give this video a thumbs up if you were interested in it. So one thing's for sure, two things for certain, I'm not a makeup artist. I am self-taught in a way to do my own face, and I learned everything on my own. This video was requested by somebody personally on Instagram, and I didn't have a video for Sunday, so why not put something that somebody wanted up on my channel, and hopefully this can help other people. So this is strictly just a beginner friendly eyeshadow look. To get this look right here, that's on my eyes. I didn't add my lashes simply because my lashes are very dramatic, and that would take away from the entire point of the video being beginner friendly. So without further ado, if you want to see how I did my eyeshadow for today, just keep on watching. I want to start this series of beginner friendly tips and tricks, so feel free to let me know what you would like me to film next, whether that be how to properly find your foundation shade, how to properly put your foundation on, how to do brows, how to apply lashes, how to apply highlight. Let me know what y'all want to see, and I'll be more than happy to film it for you guys. I'm about to go get something to eat, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. All right, y'all, so we up close and personal because yeah, so I had a request and somebody wanted me to do a beginner friendly eyeshadow type of tutorial. So I'm about to pull up the picture that she sent me. So the picture that she sent me, I'm gonna show you, it's a video, but it looks like this. Hold on, focus, not on me. And she's just like real glowy, real bronzed, and I don't normally do, like, I don't want to say I don't normally do that look. I don't normally go for that. I'm real, y'all know I'm real crazy with my makeup, so I feel like the palette that would best benefit that would be the James Charles palette, just because it has some browns. But hold on, let's see, because I could be lying. Okay, yeah, never mind. Actually, I lied. We're not going to use the James Charles palette. We're going to use the Dare to Create palette. This is the 39A palette from Morphe. Looks like this. Reason being is because, hold on, hopefully I can lift it up. It has a variety of browns, and that's what I want to go for, to give y'all a complete eyeshadow tutorial. So first things first, eyeshadow to me is not, I do my eyeshadow before my foundation and stuff. That's just personal preference. So okay, so you need some brushes. All of these are the same brush. This is the e.l.f. blending eye brush. I think it's like $3, could be $1, not sure. But I was not good at eyeshadow at first, so never feel like you have to do the most. Okay, so number one key factor is you want to prime. So primer goes both ways. I keep making sure that I like say everything because this is beginner friendly, so I want y'all to begin properly. So a good base for your eye is the way that your eyeshadows will pop. So I have 3 different concealers here to show y'all. I use concealer. There are such things as eyeshadow base and eyeshadow primer that are set for that. That's like a little more in depth. So if y'all want me to go in depth with that, this can kind of be a series, like a beginner friendly series, if y'all like it. So 3 different concealers. I have the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25. It's really light, as you can see. Reason being is because for certain bright colors or certain colors in certain palettes, the color does not show up on my eye. So you want a concealer that is basically white to make the color transfer. The next concealer is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is more my shade, and that's okay. And then lastly, the Tarte Shape Tape, like this, in the shade Tan Deep. This is more high-end. If you're beginning, I always recommend drugstore. So these 2 would be the best drugstores. I got both of these from Ulta. Because we're doing a brown look, brown is never really hard to transfer. So we're gonna just use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. So I'm gonna prime my eyes. So you're going to just lightly do this. So the key to a mastered primed eye is just patience. You want it to be seamless, with no creases in it, because that's going to be your base. So taking a dirty little beauty blender, you're going to blend this into your skin seamlessly, and like that. See, no creases. Some people set their eyes before with like a setting powder. Hit or miss, that's what I'll say, hit or miss, because I personally don't do it. All right, so once you have your base set and secured, we're gonna go into eyeshadow. So I'm gonna stay a little bit close to y'all so y'all can see my eyes. All right, so we're gonna be working with this one. So I'm going to take a brush. It's a fluffy brush, it's a blending brush, and you're going to pick up a shade. So I'm gonna show y'all what shade it is. You want to start off light. So to create the look that was sent to me, one second y'all. To create the look that was sent to me, another thing with copying people's eyeshadows is kind of study the colors that they're using, because that's gonna always be the key to getting something similar. It looks like she used 2 colors. So one would be the transition and one would be the lid color, and then she went underneath her eye to give like a little bit of depth. I'm going to take a transition shade. The transition shade is going to be this right here. So we're going to be working, let me see, we're going to be working with this light color. I'm a little bit darker than the girl in the video was, kind of, so we're going to be working with this color too. Another thing with eyeshadows is knowing what fits your skin. So going in with that light transition shade, you're going to lightly pack into your crease. Now the reason you do this is because you didn't set that concealer. My camera doesn't love me. It's cool. It's really not my camera, it's more like my SD card and my camera. Okay, so I don't know where we stopped off. So you blend that transition shade that I showed y'all, cool, and now you're gonna go into that other brown, the more neutral brown, and you're literally going to pack that on your entire eye. So you're just grabbing the color and putting it on your entire eyelid. Hold on, let me get a better brush because that one was still wet. Okay, and then pack it on your eye, and that's what you're doing. And then you're gonna continue to pack it on your eye until your entire eyelid is covered, right? And then you're gonna take another blending brush. So you should have a total of 3 brushes. And you're just going to blend it out. Like so. Until it's seamless and neutral. just like that. Now I chose a darker shade like this just because I wanted it to be seen, and I'm not really sure what 2 shades the model used. Of course you can use lighter browns if you wanted a more neutral color. Like I could have used, let me see if this one shows up on me. I could have used this one for a more neutral. Honestly, yeah, let's do that. All right, so we're gonna pack that one on top. You see, real natural. And then you're gonna take that blending brush that you just had and just blend it into that crease color. Boom, just like that. Blending is literally trial and error. Like, it's been so many times where my blending is trash. It's blending also depends on your brushes. Now the people that spend, you know, buku money on the Morphe brushes, I've never had the funds for that because I have other obligations. But yeah, so this is literally all that was done. So we're gonna do it to the other eye just because I'm going to show y'all again. So the other eye, okay, so you see this creasing right here, and I'm gonna show y'all the trials and mistakes. That is what you don't want once you've set that concealer. So you want to blend that crease back out to where it's a flat neutral base for you to start again. All right, so same thing. We're going to take a light brown as a transition shade, and you're going to just place it in the crease. Place it in the crease. It's such a light brown that you really won't even see it, like that. And you're just doing windshield wiper motions. That is how you blend. All right, once you got a firm color in that crease like that, you're gonna go on top of it with a nice neutral brown like so. And at first it's gonna look crazy because you're just packing on one color, right? And then you take a random blending brush, baby girl, and blend all of those shades together. So this one's a little bit darker because I had that darker shade underneath it, which I'm probably about to finesse real quick. You have a nice muted eye. Really simple. Y'all see that? And then you can put your face on, and yeah, you can add lashes, but adding my lashes would be real dramatic. So this is my lash line, y'all. Period. Y'all can order from me. I'll put all of my info in the bio on how you can order from me. So my lashes are a little bit dramatic. So for the sake of this video, we're not gonna put them on, but I'm gonna put them on later. So I'm about to do the rest of my base, and then I will come back and show y'all like the finished look. But that's literally all it takes to get like that muted, real quick brown. So I'll come back when my full face is on, and I'll give y'all like my last thoughts on how to perfect your stuff. Okay. All right, y'all. So this is the finished look. Real bronzy, real glowy. The only thing I wanted to focus on was the eyeshadow today. If y'all want me to start a series, let me back out. If y'all want me to start a series on beginner friendly tips and tricks on your makeup, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what y'all would like to see in the next video, whether that be how to properly put your foundation on, how to properly do the highlight, how to properly do brows, how to do lashes. Comment it down below. I just wanted this to start off as the series of just being strictly eyeshadow, to focus on one thing at a time, because this is beginner friendly. And honestly, starting off with makeup, there were not a lot of follow videos. Like, they were sped up, they were overly hard to follow. So I'm gonna try my best to make my videos a little bit different and a little bit easier to follow by doing step by step and doing them one video at a time. I'd rather you focus on one thing per video. That way, after you watch all of them, you should know how to do a full face of makeup. So with that being said, let me know if y'all want me to do a continuous series of beginner friendly things, and I will definitely start filming those for you guys because I love to film makeup videos, don't get me wrong. They're just not my most popular, so I never know what people want from my channel. So with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video, and yeah, love you, bye.